Hello guys and welcome to the channel. Today is Saturday, it's very sunny outside, it's lovely to have a drive, but sadly we are in a mission. We have to rescue the Mercedes-Benz that I was presenting you earlier in the previous video, as it broke down in the middle of the road. I'm curious what the problem is. We'll get there in about 15 to 20 minutes as we have about 25 kilometers to drive, and I'll catch you up once I get there to check out what's the problem, and hopefully we'll be able to fix it and move the car away from the middle of the road. Fingers crossed. It actually looks like the car died in the middle of the road, so Alexandra was driving it and she stopped at a traffic light and the engine suddenly stopped, so it's absolutely not responsive now. It doesn't crank up, it doesn't start, doesn't do anything according to what she says. We'll see once we get there. I have jump leads with me. Let's hope it's only a thing of power. Maybe battery is dead or the alternator is not charging. I was checking before and I've seen that the actual battery is the original one, so it's quite old. It's about 13-14 years old now, so it won't be a huge surprise to be fully dead, but we'll see that once we get at the scene. So here we are. We actually left the motorway right now. We have about 1 kilometer to get to where the car is actually stopped. I still pray to God that it will be a simple fix, as otherwise this year has started very wrong. I hope it's not the fuel pump or something similar to that, or even worse, like that dreadful timing chain that I was mentioning to you guys before. I wasn't able to find too much useful info from Alexandra, as she's not a mechanic and she doesn't know these things in depth, but that's why I'm here. So yeah, let's hope for the best. I've actually found out that she put some fuel a few hours ago and she haven't done any trips since, so it's highly possible that she put some diesel in it, and that would be no surprise as why the car is not running. So I don't know, we'll have to find out. I think she stopped somewhere here. She's on the left side of the road. Yeah, I can see her, and that's the car on hazard lights. This is not a nice sight at all. We'll just have to see what we can sort out now. Smile, you're on camera. Okay, so oh, this is heavy. First position, ignition, 1 2 3. We have 11.9 volts in the battery, so that means battery is good. Guys, I'll actually try to start up this car, see what's wrong with it, I don't know, and I will get back with some news once I find out more. I have to put the camera down, as there's no way I can do anything while holding the camera, so talk to you soon, fingers crossed. A quick check revealed that the engine is actually cranking, so it doesn't look to be the battery. As I've showed you, it has 11.9 volts, and the battery is charging, everything looks spot on. We've checked, there's unleaded fuel in it, so petrol as needed. And I've actually took out the rear seats in order for me to hear the fuel pump running, and while cranking I can hear actually nothing, so I have the feeling that the fuel pump is actually gone. It happened to me before when I had a 2003 similar E-Class, same symptoms, same problem happened. So I took out the rear seats in order to have access to the fuel pump. I'm going to pick up some tools and maybe knock the fuel pump a few times. That hopefully will unblock it, and maybe we can get the car to the shop on its wheels rather than using a recovery truck or something like that. So let's see how that goes. Hello again. So it looks to be the fuel sender unit in the fuel tank. That's the culprit. We actually gave it a few taps and it started working right away. I had this problem before and it looks like the low fuel levels is causing that electric motor to run hot, and in time it gets stuck and it won't send any fuel back to the engine, to the front of the car. This being said, I've checked online. The prices for a sender unit varies between 150 to 200 euros. Sadly, it's Saturday 4 p.m, so we are not able to get that fuel pump today. All the parts suppliers are actually closed for the weekend. It will be only on Monday morning that we'll be able to find the needed parts and fit them to the car. The actual fix will take about 10 minutes. It's very simple. It's only few screws and the car should be back on the road with no problems. So that's it for today. Nothing else. I'll sign out. Please don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to my channel if you like this video, and talk to you again. Bye.